Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your car registration online in Pennsylvania. So this is a helpful way to renew your registration because you can do everything from home and it only takes a few minutes if you have the needed details ready. So to begin, open up your web browser and search for renewing car registration in Pennsylvania. From the search results, open the official Pennsylvania government website and wait for the page to load completely. And when the page opens, you should see information about online renewal for vehicle or trailer registration. And before moving forward, make sure that you have everything ready. You will need your registration plate number, the first 8 digits of your title number, your vehicle's odometer reading, and your current insurance information, including the company name and policy dates. If you need to update your address, you will also need your driver's license number. You should also have a valid credit or debit card for payment, along with a printer since PennDOT no longer sends registration cards by mail for online renewals. After that, find the button for renewing your registration online and then click it. So this will open the online vehicle services page. Once it loads, review the instructions shown on the screen, then enter the required details including your title number and plate number. And when that is done, click the login button to continue. And from there, just follow the steps shown on the website, and then you'll be asked to enter your insurance information. So confirm your odometer reading and complete the payment. And when the renewal is finished, you can print both your receipt or your registration card right away. The printed registration card will be your permanent copy. And that's all you need to do as long as your information is ready before you start. The whole process should be quick and easy to finish online. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.